Thank you. Alright, hey guys. Welcome to another weekly vlog with Tina. Did you stick your tongue out? Hey guys, what's up? It is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, so we're at Prospect. Everybody, girl. Hey guys, welcome to another day in my life. Honestly, I have not picked up this camera. It feels like this whole week, like this time just went by really fast. But I'll update you guys more later. But I wanted to, you know, get on here with a quick little haul and show you guys some things that I picked up. So I'm gonna start here with Ulta. I just went to Ulta to pick up some things and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. So I needed some more lip gloss. So I just got this MAC lip gloss. So I'm really excited. I usually use the one from Fenty. So for MAC, I picked up this new lipstick, this matte lipstick. I'm actually really excited to try this. I was like, I have to go get it. And I feel like this is gonna look really nice with my brown liner that I always use from Huda Beauty. So it's in this shade here. Let's see if it focuses. Honey Love. So I'm so excited to try this lipstick. I'm gonna wear it tonight. So I love watching Get Ready With Me's because I love seeing like different products people use because it always hypes me up to go try it. So she was talking about this palette here in her video. So I was like, I ran out of blush and I was about to go pick up the NARS blush that I use. But after her Get Ready With Me, I was like, let me try this. And this was only like $6. I also picked up a new pair of lashes because I messed up the lashes that I was using before. I don't know, like they just went through it. So I was like, let me pick up another pair. These are more dramatic. This is Miami Flare. So yeah guys, I'm about to go ahead and I think I'm gonna film a Get Ready With Me. I just posted on my Instagram to ask me questions. Be sure you're following me on here. I'm very active, or at least I try to be very active on here. So yeah, I just posted on my story for you guys to ask me questions. So I'm about to eat a little snackety snack before I go out to dinner. And then I'm gonna pour up a little drink, okay? And we're gonna do a little Get Ready With Me. But I am going to take you guys out with me tonight, see where the night goes. And yeah, y'all. So if you want to see the Get Ready With Me, I'm gonna be posting this before I post the Get Ready With Me. So you guys, you'll see it on like Wednesday or something. So I just got ready. Be sure to check out my Get Ready With Me so you can see how I got this whole look using my new products that I just picked up from Ulta today. But I am obsessed with the way my makeup turned out. I love it. I like these new lashes and I love my new lip combo. It looks pretty similar to my last one, but it feels better. That Kylie matte lipstick that I was using was really drying my lips out, and this MAC one, it's still matte, but like it just feels good. So I feel so pretty. I have my little necklace on. I'm wearing my top that is actually from my boutique. I'm going to be launching it very soon. By the end of next week, I'll be posting a date of when these are available. And then I'm wearing these same wide pants from Fashion Nova that you guys have, I'm not Fashion Nova, from Forever 21 that you guys have seen before. And then I'm carrying my Balenciaga red crossbody just because I like the pop of red, and plus you guys can kind of fit in here. And I'm gonna be vlogging tonight. And then I'm wearing the same shoes I always wear just because they're so comfortable. So I hope I'm not too cold in this fit. Let me show you guys. I hope I'm not too cold in this fit because it is a little chilly out. But it's cute. I like it.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got a spotted puff spot. Jeff for peace. Drop the data now.
So we just ate our food. We drank a whole bottle of wine. We're kind of like a little tipsy. Hey guys, so we are currently outside. We are going to 13.
Hold on. We have to go back. I forgot my freaking keys.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Not this song playing. We almost cried last time. Wow, I look so short today compared to you.
You have your gifts?
Yes. I don't know what happened.
I know you woman and you play me. Too many bitches out there.
They don't want you to live. They don't want you to buy. But put a smile in your face. Yeah. Then they pray for you to fall. Hey, last night I did a show. About to get
it's lights out, it's a food court meal. That's how you find me. I ain't talking seatbelt. Nigga, yeah, we draw blood. Whole team got choppers like a fight club. I don't get mad. I'm fuck niggas cause they so cold. We on his ass when it shows action. We get bitch, don't be capping, but you know that's crazy. Hey, boo, put this switch on the bitch. Tell your favorite rapper we ain't feeling that. Bitch, tell your favorite rapper we ain't hearing that. You wanna go die, but I got two, so nigga, give me that. This stick up easy, this shit pretty passion, know how I bleed is from my city, I'm from the rock, you know it's really that. I ain't never bleed that rapper, give me that.
I'm lit too. She's trying to be cool and calm and collected.
I'm trying to stay calm.
She's like, all right, guys.
We're about to head downstairs.
Yes.
And we'll see where the night takes us.
It's been fun. It's been real.
Yeah, we met this guy. He says he's from Long Island.
He's so nice.
He is.
He's so sweet. He bought us shots.
Yeah.
He just gives good energy.
Yeah. He does.
I don't think he's trying to like. Well.
She's killing, got these vibes going crazy.
I wanted to show you guys me working on my 747 stuff, prepping for this new launch. And while I was getting everything set up, I was like, man, did I ever show you guys my little boutique nook that I created? Anyways, it's not fully done. I still need to mount the 2 shelves. I got more shelves like those. I want to mount them in the corner. I was just having some problems with getting it set up. So I need to wait till I get some help because it was a struggle. But I wanted to kind of show you guys my little, this is like 747 corner for now, because before, like when I would be working on orders, like packaging and like printing the labels and stuff, I was doing it on like my kitchen, like on my bar stools and stuff, and like I didn't have like a designated place to keep all of the stuff that I need. So at the beginning of the year, I was like, I really want to start taking my business and everything just more seriously, because energy is super important. And it's like, if I'm saying like, oh, I want to grow like my boutique, and or I want to grow my social media, like if I don't have like a neat, organized space for it, how am I going to attract that? You know, like if it's chaos, I'm just gonna create more chaos. You know what I mean? Like literally, this makes me so happy. This little section that I have here, it makes me happy to like work on my boutique. It makes me happy to package orders. And you know, before, I'm not gonna lie, when I would get an order in, I would be happy, of course, but like in my head, I'll be like, all right, let me go pull out the label printer and let me go find a place to plug it in, and like, let me make sure this is clean so I can wrap the thing. Like, it just was chaos, and it was kind of like not bringing positive energy. It was kind of like a hassle just to send out an order. But now that I have everything organized, it just makes me really happy. I have this picture that my little brother got me for Christmas. I thought that was so nice. I know it's not center. The reason it's not center is because I plan on putting those shelves up in that corner. So that's why it looks like that. And then I actually just moved that little stand. It was originally over here, but I moved it over here to make my own like little makeshift desk until I can get a real one. Like, I had went to go get a real one, y'all, from IKEA, and it hit me. I'm like, oh shoot, who's gonna build this? Like, it was just way too much. I couldn't even carry it to my car. Like, it was a mess. So I'm like, I'll use this until I'm able to get someone to help me like haul in a big desk. Not a big desk, but you know, like a desk that could fit like in there. So, but for now, this will do. So let me get a little closer. I got this little stool from IKEA as well. I eventually want to get a more comfy chair. But in the meantime, while I'm using this little makeshift desk, this is perfect. Ignore my lashes. Oh my gosh. Ignore those. Anyways, this is my website. I've been working around with it to make it like flow better and like more organized and like aesthetically pleasing. So I'm actually obsessed with the way that it's turning out. So as you see, I have my boutique collection, which is where you're gonna find you know, new pieces that I get from different vendors and stuff. And so that's where you'll find that. Right now, the only things I have listed in the boutique collection are these rings, but today I'm going to be listing the new pieces that I'm going to be launching. I'm really excited about that. So this is the boutique collection, and then here is the vintage luxury collection. What I need to do now is I'm attaching my labels, my tags, to the clothing. So I ordered these when I first launched my boutique. I've launched, relaunched, rebranded like 3 times already, but when I first started my boutique, I had went out to LA, went to the fashion district, got a bunch of wholesale clothing, and I came across this shop out there that makes tags. So I sent them like everything I wanted, and they made me a bunch of these tags to put into my clothes. Right now I put them in myself. Eventually, when I grow and get bigger, I want to hire someone to do that for me, because this is my least favorite part. I hate putting these labels into my stuff just because it's so time consuming. But it is what it is. So I have a bunch of these labels, and then down here I have my I have a little business plan in there, and like my rings, accessories, and this one. And then down here I have my Dymo label printer, and then I have my packaging stuff. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and open this package up, start putting in my tags, and I'll show you guys me doing that. Alright guys, so I got my labels into the gray jumpsuits or rompers, whatever you want to call them. So I already got the labels in here. Didn't take too long. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the labels in the 2-piece set. So I'm gonna put a label in the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started doing that. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got the labels into the tops and bottoms of these 2-piece sets. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hang them up, or actually I think I'm gonna fold them up and put them in little baggies. They look really good. I can't believe, like, I got these labels, like I was saying, so long ago, and I just really like the way they look still. Like, they just look so clean and, like, I love it. I'm so happy I stuck with these labels, because when I first started, my aesthetic on my page was like black, white, and pink, and now I'm wanting it to be like more neutrals, like browns, nudes, and I feel like with this classic label, I'm just so happy I went with this instead of doing something like pink or something, because as I, you know, change and my aesthetic changes for like my boutique and everything, like this label is timeless because it's black and white, and the font is just very nice and clean, as you see. This is the Oswald font, in case you were interested. This is like my favorite font, but yeah, so I'm tired. It is now dark outside, as you can see. It is dark. So yeah, I'm about to shower and chill for a little, and like relax, because I've been working on that for hours. I'm a little exhausted, but yeah, y'all, I need to go ahead and throw this box out. I'm waiting for one more package. Alright, hey guys, so I just finished getting ready, and I had stopped getting ready and I plugged my camera so it could have a full charge so I could take you guys out with me, but the charger wasn't fully plugged in the wall, so my camera is now on one bar and I have to go pick up my friend. So I'm gonna try to vlog, if anything, on my phone, but before I stepped out, I wanted to show you guys the finished look. I really like the way it turned out. This is the exact same look that I did yesterday. So yeah, using like a new lip combo. I really like it. And yeah, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing this cute little necklace. I'm wearing this bag that I actually thrifted a long time ago, and I just really love the vibe it gives. I'm wearing this shirt that my guy friend, he had taken, it's off-white, and he had taken some stuff to the dry cleaners, and his stuff shrunk, so he asked if I wanted it. Of course, I'm gonna wear it and make it look cute. So this was a while ago. I'm just now wearing it out, but I thought this was a cute, chill vibe. I'm wearing these leather leggings that I always wear, and then the same little clickety click clicks that I always wear just because they're so comfortable and they literally go with everything. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I tied the shirt up in the back because it's still pretty big, so I tied it up and like tucked it under. So yeah.